build a screen made by Screen Type.
Thank you for watching Greater Renovation Associates. Today we will be building a screen.
On the left, you'll see the 4 frame pieces. To your right, hit a little black line is the spline. You'll need that to hold in your screen. And to the right, you'll see your corners, your 4 corners. Above it will be your screen tensioner clamps, which will go in the same hole as your corners, and then your pull tabs, which are your black pieces that will go in with your spline.
This is the old screen. As you see, it's in pretty bad condition. Like all the corners are broke, so it's just screen, spline, and the frame. To keep everything in order, label or number all 4 of your sides. This is side 1, this is side 2, this is side 3, and this is side 4. This way, when you measure and cut your other 4 sides of the frame, you'll know exactly where they go. No misunderstandings. The frame comes with a spline inside of it. But you see that little black line, and you'll also see where I numbered it, and getting all my cut marks in one spot make it a lot easier and more uniform to cut. I pre-numbered my pieces as I have pre-marked them as well. I'll show you. This way, if you have the old frame, you don't even need a tape measure. But match up your numbers, 4 and 4, put them directly beside each other. Make sure if the old frame still has a bit of the corner, which you'll see that plastic piece, that either you remove it or make sure it's even with the actual metal. Even one side, you can take the other side and just draw a quick line. As you see, I've already actually drawn the line, and you see it's right there between the plastic and the metal. Please follow manufacturer's directions on cutting. And the manufacturer directions actually prefer to use a hacksaw. It's a lot safer and will give you a cleaner cut. This is a grinder, which is not recommended by manufacturer instructions. But if you safely know how to use it, it works. A hacksaw will give you a cleaner cut. Not using the proper tools requested by manufacturer directions will void your warranty. So make sure you use a hacksaw. It's also a lot safer. When using a grinder, do not put the grinder down until that blade has completely stopped moving. Here I have laid out my frame, of course by numbers, your 1, 2, 3, 4. And the next thing I will do is insert my corners and pull the spline out to get ready for my screen. The product we're using today is called Build a Screen by Screen Type. Now insert all of your corners to give you your frame of your screen. Next, use a square to make sure that all corners are square. If 2 of your corners are square, then your other 2 corners should be square as well. So I'm gonna use 2 different squares at the same time to make sure that 2 corners are square together. time to add your screen. So of course we're going to open up the screen, place it over our frame, keep it nice and tight, and go ahead and add your spline and your two pieces to be able to handle your screen later without damaging the screen. Just cut the screen a little bit bigger than the actual frame so we have a little leeway. After that, we're going to add the spline in, then we're going to cut off the excess screen. After your spline has been added, screen is tight, check your squareness again, check your couple corners, and if everything is square, time to now cut off all excess screen.
KG.
The screen is now complete. There's the old screen, here's the new screen. Thank you for watching Greater Innovation Associates.